Good Thursday evening, folks. Temperatures today, once again, low to middle 90s, 94 officially out at Norfolk, 94 at Newport News, but I think this will be the last of the 90s for at least the next 5 to 6 days. Now, it was our 27th day so far this year of 90 degrees or hotter. You can see we're tied for 2023. The entire year featured only 27 days, and it's only the 31st of July. And we're already at that number, so it's been a hot year so far in Hampton Roads. Now, we're tracking a cold front to our northwest. That's bringing about some slow-moving thunderstorms. I think our threat is minimal on seeing any major impacts from this, but we're going to keep our weather impact alert up through this evening and into the first part of the overnight for some isolated occurrences of flooding, mainly to the north. That's where there is currently a flood watch, and the possibility of some stronger storms even farther to the north with some damaging winds. That could be a possibility with some strong storms. But we've got a trough of low pressure that's out ahead of the actual front that you can see is quasi-stationary to our north. It's going to take its sweet old time dropping to the south, but should get here overnight tonight, and that'll bring about some more storms, some downpours and showers, and that'll likely linger into the day on Friday as well. Not a washout of a day, though, and then it'll bring our temperatures down. Those will drop first by about 10 degrees tomorrow. We're looking at highs in the low to mid 80s compared to low to mid 90s today, and then comes about the drop in humidity, and that will be glorious this upcoming weekend as we see those dew point temperatures come down into the 50s. Air temperatures in the lower 80s both Saturday and Sunday, and staying in the 80s below average, which is 89 this time of the year, straight through the middle to even end of next week. So almost the first whole week of August will feature below average temperatures. When was the last time we saw that? Been a long, long time. And then come the dew points. By Saturday night into Sunday, we're looking at possible dew points in the 50s and lower 60s. It will feel much, much more comfortable out there, and that could even spill over into early next week. Here's Futurecast showing the threat of a few showers and thunderstorms as that boundary will slowly drift south. Here we are at midnight tonight. Could be a few claps of thunder in the mix there as well. Not expecting any severe weather overnight tonight. Then we're mostly cloudy to kick off our Friday. Still a few lingering showers out there as our residual energy from that boundary is still pretty much overhead. That pushes far to the south in the afternoon. We partially see some sunshine by early afternoon, but it's not going to last all afternoon. We still have some shower possibilities in there as we get towards late afternoon, early evening, as our winds turn northeasterly, pulling in that marine layer across the area, thickening up the cloud cover. Some areas in drizzle and mist overnight Friday and early Saturday. Could start with a few showers Saturday morning, but I think as we transition into the afternoon, we see our sky deck clear out a bit, more and more sunshine likely from the northeast to the south and west. And by Saturday evening, we're looking at mostly clear, breezy conditions, and that'll spill over into Sunday with really, really nice weather. So 75 tonight. We've got a few rumbles of thunder in there, a few heavy downpours off towards the north. And then tomorrow, we're looking at high temperatures in the lower to middle 80s across south side. We'll call it mostly cloudy to partly sunny. To the north, we're at 80 at Gloucester, 82 at Hampton, 80 at Cape Charles, 79 Matthews. We had lows this warm a couple weeks ago, and these are looking to be our highs now as we get into Friday afternoon. Just a really nice change of pace as we change the calendar from July into August. 82 at Gatesville, 84 Hertford, 84 Elizabeth City, low 80s down through the Outer Banks. Beach weather tomorrow, not the greatest. A lot of cloud cover. You're not going to see a ton of sunshine. Air temperatures at the waterfront around 80. Water temperature likely a little bit warmer than that. Low rip current risk and UV index will be moderate for your Friday. And in the weekend, though, we'll transition to more sunshine Saturday afternoon. Lower 80s. It'll be a breezy day, gusts up to 20 miles per hour or 30 miles per hour or so. And then on Sunday, coming off a morning low of 70, likely a lot of low 60s back inland. 81 for afternoon high, mostly sunny and very pleasant. There's the extended forecast. Isolated shower chances tomorrow, maybe a lingering morning shower on Saturday. Breezy, mostly sunny in the afternoon. That spills over into Sunday and Monday. Notice air temperatures below normal for the entire forecast period. Increasing rain chances again by Wednesday and Thursday.